So there is a tropical storm in the area. Pack a bag. Yes. But outside, man, the sky is black again, but the sun is shining. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in a state, but it's fine. It's Sunday and I am deciding to do another weekly vlog. I haven't done a weekly vlog in a very long time, so here I am. I'm thinking I want to just fix up my hair today. I've had my hair in braids for a few weeks now and they're pretty old. These are braids I did myself, so I don't know if by the time I post this video, if the video of me getting this done would have been up already, but we'll see how it goes with my editing and all that stuff. There was a time on this channel where I was doing a lot of weekly vlogs and I miss doing that. I feel like that was when I kind of had a little rhythm going with the whole content creation stuff, especially on this space on YouTube. So I'm trying to get back into that. So yeah, but if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Kimberly. This is Kimberly Vlogs XO. I'm based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I do like lifestyle content, different type of things like that. I do have my Instagram, which I'll put right here, and I also have TikTok. But I'm trying to get back into this space particularly because I've been posting some shorts and things like that, but I've been trying to get back in. And another issue that I've been facing is that my hard drive crashed. So at the making of this video, today is October 12th, it's a Sunday. So at the making of this video, my hard drive is still with the tech guy. So I have a lot of content on my hard drive that needs to be edited. But this one, I have another hard drive, so if this one goes up, this is like way further in advance from the other content that I have to upload. So just bear with me as I try to get my rhythm back. That's kind of thrown me off, but this is me trying to get my rhythm back with just getting my vlogs out and just... Hard drive I currently have, it's lower in size, so it's like a 1 terabyte. The one I had that I was using and keeping up to date and everything was like a 2 terabyte. So that one crashed and I had to buy a new one, and I don't know if we'll be able to recover footage and content from that because that has a lot of stuff. That has the rest of the Colombia footage from January. I haven't finished that yet. That's what I get for procrastinating, I guess. We also did a trip to Mexico City, which was our first time in Mexico City. We've been to Mexico before in Cancun and Playa del Carmen. We went to Tulum, but this is our first time in Mexico City, so I filmed that as well. That's the one that drive the too. There's other content that I have on there as well, and also it's just, you know, that type of stuff kind of messes with your rhythm a little bit. It really kind of throws you off. So with that, I'm trying to just get myself back into the swing of doing content, feeling good about the content I'm putting out, and just, you know, I apologize for not being on this space in such a regular or in a regular manner. But yeah, that's what I've been going through all that time. So yeah, we're gonna keep it pushing. Hopefully this vlog will be out in a timely manner. And as I said, it's gonna form part of my weekly vlog. So for today, Sunday, as I said, I'm using this time to just refresh myself. I've been back and forth with doing over my hair. I do have really short hair. You would see in other clips and so forth that I had cut off all my hair, other videos rather. I cut off all my hair and it's growing a little bit. My hair is about this length now, so that's not too bad. It's like right here if I was to press it, which is what I want to do. I want to silk press it myself, and I have some clip-in extensions that I want to put in because I've been in braids for months at this point. And I feel like it's time for a little change. The reason I keep my hair in braids is because it's so much easier for me to just fix it, like just, you know, braids are so much easier. But I'm becoming a little bit with the style. And then also we do have a trip coming up next week. Yeah, today's Sunday, so not this week, next week on the 23rd, where I'm going to be carrying my parents to Colombia. So I'm excited. So this part of me putting on my hair as well is also me trying to figure out, do I want to, what style I want to do for Colombia? Do I want to do braids again, which I may do, or because the climate is very cold there, I can get away with doing a silk press and not having to have much products to have to manage that. So, and I put in clip-ins. So I'm gonna see if I like the silk press, and then if anything, I can probably go over the weekend and get my hair done professionally. So I feel like this vlog is going to probably form part of me going into just before we leave for Colombia. Yes, I don't think this is going to be like a proper weekly vlog, but just for the algorithm, I'm going to call it a week in my life. But I'm going to carry this into preparations for leaving for Colombia. I think it's about 1 o'clock now, a little bit after 1 p.m. on a Sunday. So let's see what I can get up to with doing my hair. And I'm not confident that it will come out good, but I haven't done it in a while, especially not with shorter hair. So I'm going to do the clip-ins and so let's do a little life update. I did mention that, well, I'm basically done with planning a trip with my parents, my mom and my dad, and Hakeem, of course, to go to Colombia next week. I decided that I wanted to treat them because Daddy recently retired and I wanted him to have, you know, a vacation. I wanted to carry my parents, especially Daddy, because he hasn't flown in a very long time. I think, you know, in a long time, to Colombia, because it's A, one of our favorite countries, Hakeem and myself, and B, it's just one of those places that I feel like they would enjoy. It's a very, well, Bogota specifically, that's where we're carrying them. They will, it's very slow paced. It's a city vibe, but still, you know, it's very nice, different from Jamaica, which my daddy usually traveled, you know, like he used to go all over the place, but in recent time, he's just not. Even for him to get a passport, we had to fight him to get a passport. I think one of my sisters literally had to just say, no, just I'm filling out the form, and that's why he ended up getting his passport. So that's Daddy for you, but what can you do? You know, he's just a chill guy. So I wanted to make sure that I've been always trying to plan my family trips, and those weren't working out. So I'm gonna say, you know what? Let's just go, Mommy and Daddy. Let's just go and figure it out, and we'll just enjoy ourselves. And that's what's happening. So I just literally called him and say, you guys wanna go? And I just put it together. So all that you guys will see, because I do plan to vlog it for the memories, and they're really into the whole vlogging thing. Like if I have a camera in front of them, they're very like, you'll see. I have no problem putting them on camera and they have no problem being on camera. I did reach out to Copa because we are flying with Copa, and I ended up having a meeting with the salesperson from Copa. It was very, very nice, but she said just based on the timeline of everything, because they usually ask for proposals to be submitted like 6 months in advance. They wouldn't be able to accommodate us, but for like a sponsorship, but they might just, you know, just look out for us on the plane. So I appreciate that, and I understand that, because, you know, I work in corporate as well, and I understand like you need some lead up time, especially if you're going to be allocating certain funds for stuff. But I just said, I figured that would have been it, but I said, let me just shoot my shot. And that's like the basic where I am now with stuff. So that's really on my mind, because as I said, it's the 23rd, that's basically next week. I haven't started packing as yet. I have my idea of what I want to carry and what I want to carry. So it's just for me to put it together. But because Jamaica has a holiday on the 20th, I am going to use that time to plan to pack up and everything. So that the 20th, which is a Monday. So over the weekend and everything, I will get all that stuff done. This morning, I am up. It's Monday morning. I'm about to do a face mask. I'm just showing you guys this one. It's the Sador face mask. I tore off the top already, so it's literally botany and fruit skincare mask. I see it. So, and It's an attractive, great bright skin mask. It's for moisturization, essence, texture, that type of thing. So I had a bunch of them. I bought them all on Amazon. I can link them in the Amazon storefront below. You can go and get them. But this morning is really weird for me because I woke up this morning in a bad mood. But you know what? No, God is good. God is good. I'm gonna be. Let's do my face mask. I'm annoyed. Well, not annoyed for this because my officer at work, she's ill, so I'm not annoyed about that because she's ill, so that's just unfortunate. I'm annoyed about something else. Happy Monday, guys. I am really trying to stick to this Monday vlog, to this week vlog. So give me a like and just click the like button below. I'm gonna start off with this face mask. So this is how it's looking. I did my hair yesterday, so I'll show you guys how the hair looks as well. I'm back in my bathroom again. This is where I start my mornings. So anyway, I do keep my face masks in the fridge. They are finishing, so when I do travel to Colombia, I think I'm gonna buy a few more. I didn't buy these in Colombia. I bought these on Amazon, as I said, but I'm going to go there, so I plan to do some skincare stuff there. So I'm gonna go to like Bath and Body Works and get some cream. I want to get some, like, you know, stuff at Bath and Body Works. I want to see if they have any other like really nice face cream that I can get, just because I'm going there and it would be cheaper to buy my stuff there as opposed to going somewhere in Jamaica. So if I'm going there, I'll just buy a bunch of them and just, I'm toying with the idea of having a check bag. Because usually when we travel, we don't travel with check bags because we're not fussy travelers. I don't travel with a bag of makeup and all that stuff. But this time around, I think it would make sense to do some shopping since you're gonna be there and it's the end of the year. It's always a good time to reopen your home stuff. And also because they have products that I like even cleaning products and stuff, you get them so much cheaper. Like for example, like if you want a big bottle of disinfectant, in Jamaica it would be like $3,000 for a big bottle. They have them out there for like 850 Jamaican dollars, equatable. So I'm thinking, like when I'm toying with the idea, I'm trying to convince him that it would make more sense, and he knows it would make sense, but it's just for us to buy the right things, and we just have to check our bag and just put the stuff in there. So that's something we're thinking about. But apart from that, today I have a bunch of things because my officer is out today. We launched a couple things at work last week and the week before. So it's now just about executing the things, and the bulk of the stuff have gone out already, so thank God. It's just for me to follow through and do stuff that she'll be doing, which can be a lot because the team tends to get very busy. Yeah, so this is my washer stuff. I keep them in the fridge so that they're cold. I like when they're cold. I got this on Amazon as well, so they're like stone, pretty heavy. So this is how they look. So usually we'll use like this because it's so cold, it's so good. Luna is using the litter box right now. So that's the sound you're hearing. That feels so good. That's so cold and nice. Oh, good. Then I go under my eye. I have the smaller part. Feels amazing. The washer, which I'll remove this, and then the wetness from the mask. You see, it's looking really nice. Probably took a couple too early because I'm kind of confused, but anyway. And then I'll just use the gouache and use that, and I just kind of go down. Let's see. Is it looking? Yeah, it's kind of looking different to me. Like this side look a little bit more slim. Can you guys tell? This side looks a little slimmer. See the cheek? And then this part is like, that's kind of crazy. The fact that it works, because I've been trying to get back into using it, especially since because I'm puffy, like whatever. But yeah, that's actually crazy. Like you can see the difference inside of my face. Like, can you see it? Yeah, I see it. So now let's match up this side, because I've been noticing like using a gua sha, persons have been using it, they do like one side of their face and then they're like, oh, you see the difference? And you're like, yes, I see it. That's crazy. Like around the eye area, and you just go and swipe down. I'll just wash the gua sha. bowl up. I'll just put them back in my Ziploc bag and then go back into the fridge to get cool. I'm going to just go on with my day. Alright, so guys, before I continue, this is how the hair is looking. Let me just put it out and show you. I feel like I should do a center part. Not sure if it's kind of looking a little bit. So I did put some mousse in there and I did plait it up to crimp it. My hair is so short and I was hoping that the blend would look a little bit better, but I don't think it's bad. Like, that's what it's looking. So I feel like I should probably do a side part. Yeah, I feel like I should do a side part, guys. Now that I'm thinking about it, because in person it doesn't look that bad. I don't know why it's looking so crazy on camera. Probably I'm gonna fix it myself, but yeah, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. It doesn't look bad. I think this is like, you know, I do have a lot of like product in the front of my hair, so I need to probably just like, it's not that bad. If you can see, the match is not crazy. I should have done like a better silk press in a way. I don't hate it. Could I go on the road with it like this? Yes, why not? Just rock it down and go. This is. Now I'm kind of second guessing if I need to do this here for Colombia or if I'm gonna do like, well, like I'm gonna go professional and get it done. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just kind of testing to see. Right here you can see like where it stops. So I do believe a side part would be better, just because that's how I see others do it when they have like really short hair. A side part works out a lot better for them because it you know, it doesn't show the short vibe of it as much. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, side part. Alright, well, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna just go and get into work. So after 8, so I need to get into my stuff and see how best I can get through this day. Yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later, but let's keep up this weekly vlog, shall we? See you guys in a few.
I pray this person does not just have a good week. No way. I pray they have a God week. In Jesus' name I pray.
Hi guys, that's a prayer. This guy on TikTok, Mike Malagis or Malagis, I'm not sure how he pronounces his name, but he's this young guy that does prayers and does like motivational stuff, and I find it cute to listen to him. He's really young. He's obviously, I think he's younger than me, I'm not sure. I'm really not sure, but I seen him come across my feed and I decided to just take his prayer. He was praying, he has this thing where he prays for a person's entire week. So I said, oh, that's cute. Let me take the word a little bit. So I started playing it as soon as I got up this morning, but then I got sidetracked. So I decided to just continue with it. But yeah, hopefully you guys are hearing me because my fan is in the background. I'm here folding up some clothes. I am trying to get my week started off with, as I said, I was in the bathroom talking as well. But yeah, I'm just in moments when you feel like you're really down and your motivation is kind of like, oh, it's good to kind of watch things or get your mind right or just distract your brain, because your brain will go down all the reasons why you're having a bad week or a bad morning, and it's important to kind of distract your brain, because your brain has a capacity to think about other things and think about multiple things at once. But if you can fill it with things that are distracting in a positive way, things that you have to get done, your brain will change. And I find my brain chemistry changing, so I just started to come on and share that. So yeah, I'm just trying to fold up these clothes and then answer some emails and get my day started right. All right, hi guys. So I am currently in the car because Hakeem and I decided to have a little work date night. So we're heading to Pegasus right now. It's what time is it? 8:05. So I'm in the car now waiting for Hakeem to come so that we can head out. This day was pretty full, but it wasn't as bad. It wasn't as bad. So yeah, just it's now 8:04 instead of 8:05. So yeah, so we are heading to Pegasus. I usually like going to Pegasus, especially when we lived closer there. We would always go there and just sit and do work together. So I think it's a nice spot to do. And I'm also very hungry, so I'm looking forward to eating some food. I have a couple of things to write, but then I also need to edit a vlog. I'd love to be able to edit 2 vlogs while I'm there. Let's see, because I have one of the things I'm also toying with. One of the things I'm also toying with is getting somebody to help me edit my YouTube content, because I really want to pick up back with YouTube and be able to do, you know, as much as I can to kind of keep it up. But I realize that it's getting backed up, and I end up being in positions like now, for example, maybe sort of possibly losing content that I should have edited for a whole long and just had it there sitting. So I feel like I'm going to start needing help. But then I do suffer a little bit from imposter syndrome, because YouTube is not necessary. It's not work for me. It's fun for me, but I want to take it more seriously. So I feel like I'm going to start needing help. And Hakeem said that he would edit a couple vlogs, but I can't realistically ask him to help me do that all the time and depend on him for that, because that's just a lot. And we both have pretty hectic jobs. So I don't know. We'll see how that works. But yeah, if I need the help, I'm not gonna stop myself from asking, but it just depends on how much I need the help on. But yeah, anyway, oh, this lip oil, I need to get another one. I got it at Fontana. You guys are seeing it. It's clean color, so it's a pretty affordable brand, and I love it so much. It's a lip changing oil, so because I've dipped it in different color stuff, it's kind of changed colors. But they have the clear one, and once you put on the clear one, it reacts to your body chemistry and it changes colors. But I love it so much, so I need to get a few more, and they're pretty. I don't think they're $300 for them. They're so cheap, so affordable, and they work so well. I've had them for a long time. So oh, and by the way, I should say that you see my hair has changed. I've caught it up. I catched it up because I couldn't, like, I don't know. I don't like how it look. After a while, the silk press never did a hole, so I did take out the hair, and I have caught up my hair, and it can catch up. I'm very proud of how my hair has grown. And yeah. Hello, good night. Alright, so my first order of business is getting some food because I'm a little hungry right now. And are you seeing any space over there? I can't see. Space over there? Okay. I can't see a thing. Yeah, I am starving, guys. So I need some food. so hungry right now. I'm sure it's gonna be good. I'm so excited. Thank you. Bread? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright guys, let's taste it. Ooh. Like you need hot, short hot. Like, I thought it was gonna be minced chicken, but it's fine. So steamy. Hot, hot, but it tastes good. Hakim, you use coleslaw. Yeah man, that's nice. Let me try the strawberry lemonade in honor of breast cancer awareness month. Ooh, it's pretty. It's fine. I could do with more ice though. That's nice. Coleslaw is good. It's good. So creamy and very, like it's very hearty. Like, this is gonna fill me up while I do my editing. It looks really good. So yeah, and I have editing to do. Like, I had to get a slice of this chocolate ganache cake. Like, look at how fudgy this is. And so glossy, like it's reflective. Oh my god! Wow. That's beautiful, guys. That's so good. So today I'm making like a seafood boil. So I'm using this seafood mix along with some shrimp, and I'm gonna cook it down and make it nice, and that's gonna be dinner. Just watch me as I prepare this stuff, and I'll show you the final product. I'm not gonna do like a cook with me vibe. It's just gonna be me making this. So today is Tuesday, by the way. Happy Tuesday. Yeah guys, I took a little break because the seafood is not fully thawed as yet. So I'm just letting it thaw a little more. I had it in the fridge from morning, but it not thaw as much, so I'm just giving it a little time. And also I'm just clearing out some stuff off of my camera. I spoke to the tech guy today about the hard drive with all of my Colombia footage on it, all of the Mexico, well, not all of the Mexico vlog. Funny story, soon tell you, but like he says the only thing left for him to do is to remove the drive from the actual like shell of the hard drive and see if it's burnt or something like that, because nothing that he does is allowing him to recover the information. So right now I'm just I don't know, I'm just trying to accept what I may have to end up accepting, which is that all of that footage from Colombia is lost. I am literally just trying to get my mind right for that, and that's just what I get for procrastinating, because this is content from January, from when we visited and spent the month in Colombia. It's still on there, and I had not edited the vlog or edited the footage on there. Hakima just started like 2 months ago trying to edit, and then it just crashed on us. So yeah, that's my mindset now. I'm trying not to be sad about it too much, because I do have other footage, like portrait mode footage from Colombia on the phone, but you know, I intentionally tried to vlog that experience of us being in Colombia at that time, and a lot of the footage really is from this camera, and was stored on I put it on the hard drive. So I'm just here trying to be just chill and not cry or anything like that, because all that is gone. Luckily though, see how God works, I did end up, because when we went to Mexico in August, in end of July, August, I actually done most of the vlogging on my phone, because I forgot to pack my extra batteries. So it worked out where it's like, it ended up work out where I have most of the footage. I have enough footage. I have like an hour and 40 minutes of footage from my phone that can actually go toward making a Mexico City vlog. So anyway, I am just here, as I said, waiting for the meat to thaw a little bit more. It should be good now, but also I need to clear up the kitchen, because I'm having a problem now where the kitchen is so cluttered and I'm getting so overstimulated a lot of the times in the kitchen that I don't know guys. And what I'm trying to do also is really get rid of a lot of stuff. I have an app called Home Design, I think that's what it's called. I need to check back my phone, and it helps me to do renderings. So I downloaded the free version, but I paid for a week worth of the pro version. It's a home planner, the home planner app. So that's how it looks. Hold on, you guys can see it a little bit better. Yeah, hopefully the glare is kind of glaring, but yeah, that's how the app looks. So it really allows you to do like room planning, that type of stuff. And what I did is I took a picture of our living room, bathroom, and our bedroom, because I'm really trying to fix up my style and kind of have a little bit of a vibe going. And there's a vibe I want. I know what I want when I see it, and I've pretty much done like rendering. So for example, this is a rendering I did of the bathroom. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, this is a rendering I did of our bathroom, and I like that. I want it to have that vibe. These are elements that are in our bathroom right now, but it just looks so much better on the app. So this is something I want to hopefully recreate. And I've also done for the bedroom and the bathroom. This is the kitchen area. That's a rendering I've done for the kitchen area. So I want it to look like this, but I'm just trying a thing. So as I said, I paid for the version, and I did some stuff. This is like the hallway. This is what I want the hallway to look like as well. So you know, I'm just trying to figure it out. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just go straight up the kitchen and try to finish up cooking. Hakeem is having a major toothache. He needs to get a tooth out, so he's in a lot of pain. So what I'm gonna be doing is like a stew, cook up seafood medley type of vibe on a bed of like creamy mashed potato. I'm gonna cream out the mashed potato with coconut milk and thyme and salt and black pepper, and just make it nice, you know, nothing too spicy, but the sauce is gonna really be the star. The stew is gonna be the star of the dish. So that's what it's gonna be. So I'm also stocking up on some health stuff for the travels, so Panadol and some Theraflu, Redoxon, things like that. So I think I think this is gonna suffice, and I think I need like some not painkillers, like some, what else do I need? I think I have Vicks, but I think I could buy one more Vicks. So I'm looking for Vicks. Oh, here's Vicks. I'm gonna buy a little Vicks and carry. Guys, hi, I'm back. This is how I went on the road today, because as I said, it was a little bit of an emergency with Hakeem. He was not doing well at all, and he didn't sleep at all last night, which means I didn't really sleep. But we ended up going to Fontana afterwards. So we picked up some food, and then we ended up going to Fontana afterwards to fill his prescription from the dentist. So he's gonna have to do an extraction. No, he's gonna do a root canal, because we're going through the options with the doctor. I didn't really film in there because honestly, in the moment that Hakeem been in pain and all, so I didn't want to really film. I don't know how other vloggers do, like in the moment you're like, oh, I'm gonna film it. Not saying anything bad about that, but I'm just saying like the last thing on my mind was to film. So even the little clips that I did get, I just did it. I don't know. Anyway, but the point is he's doing okay. He's on his course of medications. He's on like a few, like 4 of them, and we're scheduling for him for the thunder for him to go and do a consultation with the surgeon next week, Tuesday. So Tuesday evening about 4:30 he's gonna go, and remember we leave the Thursday, so next week is gonna be a packed week, especially since Monday is a holiday. There's one less day to really get stuff done, like on the road. But I'm thinking to use this weekend to just pack, try and edit a few last minute vlogs, get myself together, so that for Tuesday, Wednesday, when I have my nail appointment and Hakeem has his dental appointment and everything, things can be done. All right, guys, hello. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I am rushing because I just finished up my work day, and I am rushing to do a late hair appointment. Alright guys, so I'm gonna rush in and get the hair. I'm here now. And the sky is so dark. I'm gonna choose and then because I'm running so late. I'm running so late, guys. So I'm just Hey guys, so far we've got it's now after 8. So yeah, it's going well. Feel it.
Yeah, go at the steam you feel, man. I promise you, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, it is Saturday. Happy Saturday. To just show you guys my hair. It's very fluffy, very full. I'm loving it. I'm happy for the short vibe. I've been wanting to try the short hair because the long hair every single time has been overstimulating me. So yeah, it's really cute, very, you know, different. It's different. I've never done it this short before. So the plan for right now is to get some packing started, because today is Saturday and I have work Tuesday, Wednesday, leave Thursday. Monday is a holiday as well, so I do have that extra day, but I need to start at least putting together outfits, throwing things that need to be thrown into the suitcase, and just getting my brain together. I'm still toying with the idea of carrying a checked bag or checking a bag, because I may want to do some shopping over there, just get some not everyday essentials, some household essentials that I want to get from there. There's certain disinfectants that I want to get from over there, because I just feel like they smell so much stronger and better. There are a couple things I just want to, yeah, I like the products that are over there. And there's also this oat milk that is my favorite oat milk, but it's a Latin brand. I can't get it anywhere else, so I want to try and get that. Well, I know where to get it. I want to get it so that I can carry it home. Tomorrow there may be we may be going to, like, passing through a family reunion, because my aunt is doing some cooking and she's invited some family on my dad's side, that is. So we may pop in. I need to confirm with daddy if he's going as well, because they're supposed to be in Manchester with my mommy's side of family, but he was saying he would come over to Kingston, actually St. Catherine, and be with his family for a little bit and then head back to Manchester. But daddy just told me about it yesterday, so but we would want to try and make it because we're nearby and it's a Sunday. I'd planned to do big cooking and everything, so if I don't have to do much cooking, that would work out for us as well. So this is my closet. This is my carry-on. I got this at Price Smart, so I really love it because it's so sleek and it smells brand new. I have another carry-on that I was gonna give my daddy to use because they have one there and mommy has a cloth one, but I prefer to travel with the hard shell one, so I'm going to give daddy my other hard shell one to use and expand it out because I know I'm going to pack as much. But the plan for this trip, guys, I'm trying to pack as light as possible, so that way, especially my backpack, every time I travel my backpack is crazy heavy. All right, so just releasing the sides so it can fully be up, right, like this. And yeah, so I am just gonna start packing away. There are a couple things. So like this, for example, is definitely a top that I usually would carry, and I feel like I carry the same things over and over when I go, but I buy my clothing, I buy staples so that I can mix and match and rewear them. So I'm not the type of person that's gonna buy brand new outfits for trips. I don't do that. I spend my money on the excursions and the food and where I'm gonna stay because I have enough clothes. There are one or two things I might re-up on and I want to get, like, you know, but I have my tried and true things that work for me, so I know for sure this is gonna come. It's like a zip thingy, so it can zip up and down, and I love, this is the type of style I love. I love wearing clothes that look good and cover my body, but not in a matronly way, if you get what I'm saying. I like to put clothes on my body, so that's why I love traveling to colder weather places as well, because I feel like that is my style. Cold weather places is what my style is supposed to be. I'm supposed to be in like jackets and sweaters and oh god. So I'm going to carry this for sure. I got this from Shein a long time ago, so I'm going to pack this. This is a definite come. So before I even put them in, I'm just gonna fold them, put them there. Definitely I have these two tops. I think I'm definitely going to carry these two. They're similar tops. So I'm just gonna carry these because these I can easily mix and match. Fold them up. So yeah, I love things that pieces that I can like really, you know, and it's not time for me to dress up sexy either way. I'm going with my parents, so it's a parents trip, so I'm gonna just dress normally. You know, it's not that type of trip, so I'm gonna be modest as much as I can. I love this and I want to carry this because I think this is something I can mix and match pretty well, and it will look good for like a night out or even around the town, that type of vibe. So this is definitely coming. But look at how beautiful this is. Isn't that so pretty? So I definitely want to carry this, and I have, so this is the pink one and this is the orange one. Yeah, this is the orange one, so it's like landscape, but it has like llamas and alpacas on it. And Colombia is South America still, so you will see llamas, especially when you go to Monserrate. There are llamas there. Carry a cardigan. I think this cardigan will be cute to carry. It is a little bit thin though, that's my only thing, but I think it will be cute to dress up with jeans, that type of vibe. I think this is, and it's gonna be this pair, which is a really, like, it's one of my favorite jeans right now. I don't know what style of jeans this is, but it's like very 90s vibe. And I can wear like my belt with it. So I'm gonna carry a brown belt and a black belt just so I can wear this 2 different times. I think this is the same. Is this the same jeans that I wore when I went to Iceland as well? I don't think this jeans made the last Bogota trip. I'm definitely gonna carry this dress shirt. It's a black dress shirt, and I think this will be cute to kind of like even with the jeans. So one night for dinner I could wear that. I could also wear this for like days out, things like that. So this would be cute to dress up and kind of like half, you know, in the pocket tuck a little bit, and I can wear my black shade. Ooh, that's gonna be so cute. That's gonna be very, very cute. I've been watching this girl that I finally found somebody that I think has my body type. So I've been watching her a lot. Her name is, I'm gonna find her. As a matter of fact, I think I can show you guys her page. This person, I don't know if you can see her. So I've been following her, and I feel like she has like my body type, like her style. I love her style. This is basically how I think. You see, it's like similar body type, right? I feel like we're similar shape. So I definitely have been following her a lot. To go along with that, I'm gonna just carry this jeans shirt. It's pretty light as well, so it can work and be a cute jeans outfit, and especially with like the braids and like some black shades, or oh, I could even wear like the clear round frame shade glasses that I have. Like, that's cute. Yeah, I think this top. So this is a mock neck top. You can see like a type of neck, and it's a black, obviously black long sleeve, and I think this would go so cute for like an all black vibe. And I have the perfect pants to go with it. This pants, are you seeing this, guys? I've had this pants for a while, so I'm just gonna mix and match, you know, and it has pockets. So I think this would be nice for like an evening, for like dinner, like a casual dinner. I can dress it up. I'm gonna carry a pair of heels as well. I wear this trench coat every time I travel to anywhere cold, and it's the perfect trench. And the best thing about it is that it does not, what you have in your mouth, I hope you don't have, yeah, the perfect trench, because it doesn't crease up too much. Like the flat, like literally this was folded, this was washed, I didn't press it. Okay, yay. So okay, that's good. All right, and then apart from that, I'm gonna carry like a couple sweaters, long sleeve things that I can pull over, something to sleep in, because this is one of my favorite pullover sweaters I can just wear around the home. I actually got this at Arturo Calle, so that's this store, Arturo Calle. It's a store that's pretty popular there, and they sell pretty reasonable things, nice quality items. I am definitely going to carry this because this is a perfect thing to wear around the house, around the apartment rather. Putting this together, I'm carrying my sleepwear stuff. I don't need to say that because that's a doll. I'm going to carry sleepwear stuff, regular clothes to just lounge around in the apartment, and if we ever have time to lounge around, because we're going to be, you know, I know for Saturday, because my parents are Adventists, we're not going to really get up too much with them, so but I don't know what me and Hakeem might want to do, so I am going to have an outfit for possibly that. But as I said, it's just about mixing and matching things. But yeah, I have today to pack. Tomorrow I don't know if I'm going to have the energy, and then on Monday I'm going to finalize my packing, because Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be hectic for me. Hakeem has his appointment with the consultation with the dental surgeon on Tuesday evening, so I'd like to go with him for that. And then on Wednesday evening I have to do my nail appointment, because as I said, my nails, I want to get them redone before I head out. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut them, so just I love this shape so much, but I've been wearing it so much that I want a change now. So I think I'm gonna cut off the tip and keep them like a long coffin shape and just paint them nude. I think I'm just gonna go nude, that way, you know, if you want to look up videos and stuff, you're not seeing like and also because I don't have time to do my toes, they weren't able to squeeze me in for a toe appointment, but thankfully my toes don't look like they need to be done, and I always do French on my toes. So right now I have a white French on my toes, so I'm so happy I've converted to French on my toes. I can literally just continue through with that. But I'm going to so my toes will last, that's good, but it's just my fingers because they're growing out and I am seeing them, and I just like my hands to be done. So I'm going to get that done Wednesday evening at 5:30. I have that appointment. Last night I came in really late. I'm really tired, so if I'm rambling, sorry. I reached home by about 1:30 last night a.m. this morning actually, so this here took a while, but I have that to do. So I think what I'm gonna do next is just finish up in the closet. Tomorrow you will see what we get up to. Monday you'll see, but I am trying to, you know, get my life together and do what I need to do in time. You look so serious. People would never think that you're a little pookie poo. Hey mama. Oh, that face. You shut that face. You wanna come with me? You would go crazy in a plane. You can find me on IG at QXEENS_bookshelf. Fabulous, please bookshelf to take my shoes like this. And have this wristlet and for all the I also received daily from the library supporters that they have. Currently in the kitchen because I'm finally gonna be able to season the chicken that I've had from so long. Don't mind the hairstyle. I'm trying out some different positions, but the hair is in my face and it's like a little bit much, so I don't know. This is just trying to get the hair out of my face. But anyway, I have this huge parcel of chicken. I'm just gonna drop this in here because I like to keep water with disinfectant like in the sink while I'm cutting up chicken. This vlog is gonna be so long, but it's fine. I've been wanting to do longer vlogs anyway. So I have this huge parcel of chicken. Yeah, I have this huge parcel of chicken, and this piece of thigh meat right here. So I'm just gonna season. Thankfully, it's all partitioned out already. And this one, the thigh meat, I just need to probably cut them up into pieces. So what I'm gonna do is I have my stuff right here. So I have the usual culprits. You would have seen me lay them out. I have like onion, I have scotch bonnet because it's a lot of chicken. So I have, you know, more than usual. Ginger, that was scotch bonnet pepper, ginger. I have some garam masala. Hakeem loves his Asian spices, his Indian spices. I have the pepper already, but I'm also still gonna put some crushed red pepper in there because just for whatever. I do have this big bottle of all-purpose seasoning. I'm not sure if it's gonna be finished, but there's a good amount in there. But all-purpose seasoning, definitely have to have that. I have this jar of garlic. I got it from the Asian store, and it's basically, I think this should be enough for everything that I'm doing. My kitten is having zoomies right now, so if you're hearing anything, gosh, Having a kitten is a lot, I'm telling you guys. Anyway, I have this pack of black pepper that's left, so I'm not going to shake out what's in the little canisters. I am just going to throw out all of this. I have my browning. I have paprika, which is almost done, so I'm just going to dump all of that. Salt. And I'm thinking I have this pack of curry powder, so I'm thinking I'm going to do some of it as curry chicken because Hakeem loves curry chicken. I'm not a curry chicken girl. I don't like curry, to be honest. I like it, I'll have it, but it's not my first or second choice. afternoon. It's Monday for today. I'm currently boiling some water. I'm starting dinner prep, guys. I should have taken out the chicken. I forgot to take it out, so it's completely frozen. But I'm gonna be making some stewed chicken, some pseudo. I think I'm gonna sear the chicken first and then cook it down. That way it has like a nice little crisp to it, or a vibe to it. And then I'm gonna make some rice and peas. I'm gonna make some baked macaroni and cheese, and I'm also going to make some sweet potato salad. Hakeem said he wanted sweet potato salad. I do have some pieces of sweet potato in the fridge, and I think I'm gonna make a lettuce salad as well. I wanted to make a coleslaw, but I did not remember to buy any cabbage, and I'm not gonna run on the road for some cabbage. So I have 1 tomato, 1 red onion, and some lettuce. So I think I'm gonna use that and make like a little salad, a little lettuce salad with tomatoes. And then should have some more. Oh, I do have more tomato. Yay! All right, good. Here, so I have more sweet potato. So I'm gonna use sweet potato, make sweet potato salad. And actually, since I just told, I don't think I should make this much potato. All right, we'll see. I found more potato. Other things, I want to also use these carrots in the salad. So I think I'm going to use these carrots, because right now I'm just trying to use up the things that would possibly go bad in the next week, since we're not going to be in the island. And then I have this corn.
Oh,
huh?
Sorry.
23 pounds. Yeah.
24 minutes.
24?
Yeah.
Well, I don't think they're going to wait, you know. Let's hope not. But we can still carry it. Yeah, and we'll carry the big bag. Alright, right now I have some water boiling on the stove. I'm going to be putting some macaroni in there. Hakeem got the twists macaroni. I usually prefer elbows, but he got these, so I'm going to use these. I have these packs of cheeses that I need to use up. So I have this little bit of aged Parmesan cheese. It's a little bit left, so I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to use this on top, because it's aged Parmesan. It's going to be nice and just like, oh wait, hold on, no. Oh, no, I don't have to. I'm going to put this inside the mix. Anytime I have cheese, my cat wants cheese. I have this sharp cheddar cheese from Dutch Farms, which I think is best to use in the macaroni because it's like small portion, finely shredded, and I don't think they use as much sawdust or whatever they use in there to not make it stick. So I'm gonna use those off. Didn't buy any new cheeses because I think it should suffice. And then I have this as well. So I'm gonna use the cheese, use that, and then my secret ingredient is this. I've started using this in my macaroni and cheese to make it a lot more rich and creamy. I usually would use coconut milk as well, so I'm gonna, but I don't know, I find this is a little bit better, and this is what I learned when we went to Villa Deluxe with my family. The chef said he uses this, and the macaroni and cheese was amazing. Hi guys, hi. I am back because I'm here finally going to do my nails. It's been a couple days since I've checked back in, or did I video yesterday? I honestly don't know where I'm at. But I'm gonna lotion a little bit because I rushed out and I realized I changed my shirt and I didn't lotion my arms. So I'm just taking the time to just breathe because I've been in just a rush. Like if my neighbors popped their head out and they were like, Kim, you're moving so fast. I'm like, yeah, I need to move fast because I have just been trying to wrap up my day because we have an early day tomorrow. We have to be up by about 5 o'clock around them time there in order to leave out. So because we need to drop my mother-in-law at the airport, Kingston Airport, and then we're gonna head to Montego Bay for the flight with my parents. This is how my nails are looking, so I want to do like a little refresher of the nails. It's not focusing, God help me, it's not focusing. Yeah, so the nails are looking. Now focus, guys, just work with me. Yeah, but I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here because there's been a lot of content in this vlog, this one little vlog, and I need to God help me with editing it. But I do have a couple errands to run after I do my nails. I was toying with going to the pharmacy after I go do my nails because I need to fill a prescription for Hakeem, and I need to also pick up a couple things because he did not have time to go to the barber. So I'm gonna have to line him up. Oh kitty, I'm gonna have to line him up. And then I'm going to also have to pick up one more thing. I honestly don't even know, guys. I'm so discombobulated. Oh, I need Ziploc bags because I need to send up mom with a couple things for family. So I am just, yeah, I'm just a little discombobulated. But the last clip you're gonna see is of me doing my nails, and the next video is gonna be, oh, I need to pack this. You see, I'm all over the place, guys. I'm so sorry. I need to pack this up because this is my earphones. I left it in the car. So I'm gonna put this right here so I don't forget it. And I'm gonna keep this right here so I don't forget it either, which is Hakeem's health card, so I can fill his prescription. Also, there is a tropical storm in the area, in the region. So tropical storm Melissa. So I've been doing some work today at my work for work. Yeah, just putting communication together for employees and just to kind of alert them of different things with the storm. So that's another thing that we have going on in the area, but the flight still is on track. I haven't seen any communication regarding it being delayed or being canceled, anything. So God willing, it should be fine because I think the storm is not going to come Jamaica side until like Friday evening them time there. That's what I'm seeing based on the forecast as of now. But we are also going the opposite direction of the storm. Based on our direction, we're going to Colombia, so we're gonna go the other way, so we should be fine. But we are just making sure that our home is prepared because we'll be leaving the cats at home, and they're pretty good because we're not going out for long. If it was longer than 7 days, we usually would board them, but it's not going to be that long. So they should be fine with enough water, residual water. Oh, I need to buy an extra container for them so I can put extra water. Yeah, so the water container for the cats, I need to get another big one because I just want to make sure, because we have an plugged in water dispenser for them, but you know, if anything, like God forbid anything, I don't want them to be without water. So I'm going to start them up. I'm going to make sure they have a bowl that is just regular sitting still bowl. And then the food stuff, the food dispenser should be fine. It's now 5:37, and she said that she'll be finished by about 5:45. So I'm using this time now to just kind of, because I've been go, and I'm also trying to make sure that my list is together. But yeah, I'm very excited for a trip tomorrow. I purchased travel insurance for my parents. I purchased a bag because I am going to be going with a checked bag this time around because I do want to do a little bit of shopping. As I said before in previous clips, I wasn't sure. I was iffing and butting as to whether or not I was going to carry a checked bag, but I decided I just, you know, for the hassle, for the safety and just making sure that I am able to carry because based on what I'm carrying, my bag is packed and I want space to just be able to buy a few things that I'm going to want from over there. So yeah, I just bite the bullet and say, let me just carry a check bag, which is something that's unlike because I like to just be able to grab and go, but the check bag won't be an issue. So I paid for that already. coming back, I think I may upgrade the flights. I'm not sure, because you can, with Copa, you can bid to upgrade your seats to first class if you want. So I'm gonna see, depending, because honestly, first class is just a vibe for it. But if it's certain time of day, you won't get like the full meal service, especially since it's gonna be like a short flight. So I'm just thinking it through. I'm gonna see how the money go after we finish do damage in Colombia, and see what the money is like. But I am just really excited, and I'd be grateful if you guys like this video and follow along for part 2 of this, which is the culmination of all the preparation and planning that I've been doing for, in this vlog. Put the pink and then the pearly white on top.
You want to do this too? Yeah, you can do that. When you mix them, they always come out more opaque-ish.
Yeah.
More sheer.
Okay, so we'll do pink as the base. She's white.
She's white.
Oh, she's white. She's pink. Oh.
Alright,
and then we'll top it with the pearly whites.
Pearly ice. That's pretty.
How you do?
What's up?
Alright, well, just pack a bag, and Daddy, you're gonna need your passport. Yes. So I just told my parents. I'm so excited. We took some pictures. I feel like we may be here for one more day. I don't know. We'll see.
Looks like early on Tuesday, this radar will eventually go down.
Still in Bogota.
There's so many changes that
we're trying to keep up.